All right, so I went to the store the other day, and this is a Sudafed that I got. The ones that I normally would get from the store, they don't have them anymore, so they're making them like this now. So this is the one that I have, and the one that I had for a year, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, it literally have this and all this in one, and now they separate them to, I guess, to get more money. But this one have nasal congestion, sinus pressure, nasal swelling, headaches, fever, body aches. So basically what I need it for is a nasal congestion, sinus pressure, and nasal swelling. I don't have this nasal swelling or anything like that, but I do have some nasal pressure here and there when I fly, and that's what caused my ears to have that blockage and hurting. Well, this one has sinus pressure, sore throat, congestion, headaches, and coughing. So I do need this. A lot of times in the winter I do get when I go to like negative something degrees, sometimes I start coughing, so I will take this to help me out so my cough don't turn into anything asthmatic at the end of the day. So these are the only two Sudafed that I get. And as I said, when I first became a flight attendant, my doctor told me to buy Sudafed, the one that has all these in there. And when I tell you that if I had these pills, if it didn't run out on it, I probably wouldn't have my ear issue at all. But these babies get the job done. Now, I do take iron and vitamin D because as flight attendants, we don't really, especially in the winter time, we don't really get a lot of sun when we fly so much. So I do get the vitamin D. I don't even see where the vitamin D. I do get the one over the counter. Yeah. So I do take this vitamin D in the winter time, and this one is over the counter. So at least to get my vitamin D up, and my iron. So I'm gonna take an iron today because I really feel a little sleepy and sluggish, which I think my iron is probably low anyways. I went to the store, right? What was it? Walgreens. Oh my gosh, the iron pills were like $20-something, or yeah, like $20, $21. I'm like, what the heck? Like, seriously, $21 for an iron pill? And it's not like they make them in 25 pack or 20 pack. They make them 60 in a tablet. I'm like, before they weren't that expensive. Now it got so expensive. I guess now it's winter time and people need iron, they jack up the price. I don't know, but these prices are getting to be ridiculous. So I just put in my cream of wheat in the pot. Ooh, hot, 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 very hot. I'm just stirring it up. I did 2 package because the 1 package wasn't going to work for me because I need at least a bowl, half bowl amount that will keep me for the whole day, because I probably won't eat lunch. I'll just eat dinner when I come back. So yeah, let me finish this and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I just called the mail room to let them know I'm coming to pick up the items, and they told me that my scanner arrived. So Will stated that my scanner was going to arrive on in January 4th, but it arrived today. So I'm like, they just be lying to me, give me the wrong date. But I got it early, so I'm happy for that. That's what I'll use for my notary. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm in the doctor's office right now, waiting for the nurse practitioner. I like seeing the nurse practitioner because they're very they don't rush you or anything like that. Well, the doctors they rush you, but the nurse practitioner are more caring, and I mean doctors are too, but I just get more out of the nurse practitioner than a particular doctor. So that's why I like dealing with the nurse practitioner. So this lady is someone new that I'll be seeing today, and I'm here to check up on my ears to make sure it's good and to refill on my albuterol medication. I haven't been here for like close to a year, but this was the main doctor I came to when I first came to Vegas, and they became my primary because I was doing both doctors, Miami and Vegas doctor, and eventually I ended up moving to Vegas, so they're like my first doctor, everything. So I've been with them for 5 years now, and thinking about going to another doctor, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Still in contemplating on that. So I'm just waiting for the doctor. All the nurses wear masks, gloves, and they're 6 feet away. And if they need to do my blood pressure, they'll come up and stuff like that. The waiting room would only me and 2 other people, which was a party. And we had her 6 feet distancing. There was someone else that was coming. They just signed in and they left and waited in a car. So they still practice that social distancing. They have where you need to sit. Okay guys, so went into the doctor's office, got the stuff done. The doctor told me that there is some redness and fluids behind my ears. So she gave me some antibiotics. The antibiotics will make it the antibiotics will help with that, and if I didn't come or if I stay longer, then you would have got infected. So yeah, this is the ears that's the worst one out of this one. And she told me to still continue taking Sudafed, and she also gave me an ear drop just in case I have pain when I start flying, because I'm be flying in 2 days, I believe. Yeah, 2 more days I go back to work. So thankfully I'm grateful that I did come to the doctor in time. She said the antibiotics will work within 48 hours, so that's a good thing. So I came right on time. Great that I did do the virtual call with my insurance, and I came in the perfect time before the ears get infected. And she said Sudafed will help great, especially if you have any nasal drips or any stuff like that. Sudafed will help great for it, the one that I have. So that was good. Now I have to go back to the apartment and get my thing to I don't know what they call it, cart, to put my packaging when I go to the mail. So by the time I go pick up my mail and come back, and the pharmacy should have my medication ready. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just got all my packages loaded into the car, and I'm gonna go to another mail room, which is on another location, to pick up my other mails. And then to Target. So yeah, I'm gonna go to, oh, you know what, I did see this company called Five and Below. I probably may go and see what they have. I should go and see what they have, Five and Below, now that I'm here. I should check them out, but then I don't want to spend money. I should just go see how it is. They got some workout stuff. Huh. Workout weights. Oh my gosh, $5 for these. $5. That is an amazing deal. And then a yoga mat. Then got the workout. It's cute, but nothing to go with, nothing that will match. They have a pet section, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is cute. Comforter for $10. Like, these are amazing deal. Look at these decorations. They are adorable. Those are so cute. Now, $5 for bed. Oh my gosh, for these dogs.